Everybody's full from a big lunch. Mrs. McCartney, you full from a big lunch? Yeah. And many of them are sleeping, including Mr. Bennett here, and Bowie, and Miss Patsy, and Miss Joni. Oh no, this is not Joni, this is Aretha. Well, you're really out, hon. Here is Joni. Mavis. Kissing my toe? Huh? Joni giving me kisses? Are ya? You're a good girl. Yeah, my love. Yeah, sweetheart. Mavis loves to curl up. Or not Mavis, Etta loves to curl up right here, close to me. And Charles here likes to curl up away from everybody else. Look at that coat. He has got silky, silky, longer hair. Silly boy. Okay, you can go back to sleep. I just wanted to get you on camera. Can you put your head down? Yeah. Good boy. Meanwhile, Mavis is sucking on my toe. Dusty sucking on Mavis's nose. Yeah. The biggest pup and the smallest pup. Yeah, Joni. I know, Etta, you want to lay your head on my leg, but my leg's a little too high. Huh? You go see what your sisters are doing? Huh, Joni? You just laid down around that ball. Little kitty ball I put in here for you guys. You just laid right on top of it. Right around it. Okay, Mavis. Alright. Time for puppies to take a nap. McCartney is this big one laying right here. And this is Crosby. And this is Bennett. And this is Bowie. And Patsy. And Aretha. Aretha, your nose is in the sun. Huh? I know, honey, you were trying to sleep. Night, night. Night, night. How about you, Bennett? I shouldn't have woke you up, should I have? No, I shouldn't have. You got an itch? These guys have all hot and cozy. What's the matter, Dusty? Okay. Bennett's going to get comfortable. Can I help you with that itch? Oh. Okay. Good boy. Good boy, Bennett. Charles, Etta, Aretha, Bowie, Patsy, Mavis, Joni, McCartney, Crosby, and Dusty, and Bennett, who I woke up. Want to get in my lap? You want to get in my lap? What do you think? Etta wants to get in my lap. She's a cuddle bug. You're a cuddle bug, aren't you, sweetie? Yeah. Well, guys, this is getting you all on camera, but it's a pretty boring video. Okay. Okay. Nighty-night. Yeah. The only two that are awake, and only 'cause I woke you, other ones are sleeping.